Right, hi there. So today we're going to be taking a look at this stick welder, which Banggood kindly sent me in exchange for a review. So let's see what you get in the box. So this is a manual metal arc welder. It comes with the leads. There's about a 1 metre ground or return lead, a 1.5 metre stick holder lead, electrode lead, comes with a little wire brush there with a combined chipping hammer, a owner's manual, a face mask, protect your eyes, and also a shade 10 Welding lens. And then the stick welder itself. I've already went ahead and cut the, I think this is a European plug, and put a British 3-pin plug on here. And this is the machine here. It's an MMA-400 made by AP Welding. It's a 20 amp up to 400 it says. It's also got this little bit here to say that it's passed the quality control, but there's no signature on there or anything. Around it, it's got some air vents on the side here, a breaker on the back here, and a 1 metre mains electrical cable. And just air vent on the side there. I'll just plug it in and turn it on. Okay, so I've got it plugged in. Let's just flick the switch on the back. And there we go. It's got quite a noisy fan on it, but at least it will keep it cool when it's running. The dial goes from 21 up to 406. The arc force control knob doesn't affect the dial, but I suspect it works. It's just that. Anyway, that goes from 1 to 10, the arc force. And here we've just got a over temp light here, and then the 2 outputs for the stick and ground lead. So I'll just turn that off. So I'm just going to quickly test this machine, and I've got some 6013 rods, which I will run. I've got some 3.2mm rods, which are the ones that I usually use. It's the only size that I usually, largest size I usually ever go up to. I've got some 2mm rods, which I shouldn't have any problem running that, and I've got some 1.6mm rods as well. So I run them, just do a bit of welding with it. My welding's not the best, so I'm not the best stick welder, but I can stick bits of metal together. So yeah, I'm just going to get it set up outside, and yeah, we'll take a look, see how it works. Okay, so I will put a link in the description to this welder down in the comment section and in the description, just in case anybody is interested. Banggood also sells a range of lathe accessories, electronics stuff, you know, just about everything really. So yeah, go take a look. Okay, so what do I like about this little welding machine? Well, one thing is it's super lightweight. It definitely beats carrying a transformer-based machine around. I've got an oil-filled transformer stick welder, and that thing is about 40 kilos. This thing is it's under 5 kilos anyway, for sure. Yeah. So that's one good thing about these machines. Other good thing is it's got the DINS connectors on there, so we can easily extend the stick electrode and return lead if we want to. So we can put like, a 3 metre lead on there or whatever. The leads that come with it, they're probably okay. The actual ground clamp, unfortunately, when I was welding, because this is not, the cable's not crimped on, it's not crimped on, it's just, I don't know if you can see that, it's just bolted in between these two bits here of a screw. So the cable got hot and it started to heat up and it started to melt because it's not crimped on properly. Apart from that, no problem really, but yeah, that's a bit of a shame. This here, that's pretty much trash, that is. It's just, it's not fit for the job really. I mean, it's okay for, a little while. I think I was welding probably about 15-20 minutes, and yeah, that's not good. But you can easily replace that. In fact, a lot of these machines, they don't even actually come with the cables. You just get the machine on its own, no cables. But at least here we are actually getting the cables with it, so you haven't got to initially go out and buy cables. But yeah, this really wants replacing. All you need to put a crimp ring terminal on this and then attach it properly to this. But this isn't particularly good quality, so you can buy one of these for like a half decent one for like £3-4. So anyway, the stick holder, electrode holder, it's not too bad. It's just a shame the indents inside here weren't a bit deeper, but it does work. It says it on here, it says KB200, so I guess this is rated for 200 amps possibly, but it's pretty much a lightweight electrode holder. And it did get a little bit warm as well while welding. And I was only welding with the 3.2mm rods, which it seems to burn really well actually. And the machine actually itself didn't get particularly hot while I was welding, so that's a good thing. I don't know what the arc force is there. I just had it whacked up full all the time. Yeah, it's got a nice smooth arc anyway, like all inverter based stick welders do. I did burn those 4 rods really quickly, the 3.2mm rods, and it burnt through those no problem. It didn't overheat at all. I was welding for a good 20 minutes and not really stopping. I was just, laying bead after bead after bead. On that side, there's a double pad of beads on there. And I done all this within around 20 to 30 minutes without stopping basically. So, but yeah, overall it's, it does what it says on the tin. Yeah, you're going to want to be replacing this pretty soon. But apart from that, if you crimp that, it probably lasts for quite a while. But it's not really up to the job, that's not. And the cables overall, you've got 1.5 metre on the electrode holder and 1 metre on the return lead or ground lead. And that's okay if you're working on like a workbench, but if you wanted to get anywhere, you're not really going to do it with that amount of cable. But yeah, it doesn't seem too bad. The welding it's quite good. I mean, I was just messing around, you know, I wasn't really trying, but the welds come out pretty decent. But yeah, overall, not a bad machine at all. This is not really a review, it's just an initial overview. Perhaps I'll give it a couple of months and see what happens to it. Yeah, please go take a look at the Banggood website. There's a link in the description and in the comment section down below. I've been buying stuff off there for years. That's why they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to do a review on this. Yeah, from China, this took approximately, what was it, 2 weeks, I think? Yeah, I've been waiting for it for 2 weeks. And that was just on the standard free economy delivery service. Can't remember what they call it now, but yeah, it came in 2 weeks. The box was a bit tatty, but the machine's working, so yeah, so just like to say thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.